wasps, flies, butterflies, even ants and beetles. These are just a few of many European wild pollinators contributing to balanced biodiversity and human well-being across the whole continent. By pollinating many wild plants and crops, wild pollinators play a crucial role in maintaining our ecosystems and food chains. If it wasn't for these tiny creatures, many wild plants wouldn't be able to reproduce, and many crops would fail, resulting in a massive decline in both food production and ecological diversity. Unfortunately, during the past decades, there have been severe declines in some wild pollinators across Europe and beyond. According to the IUCN Red List, 1 in every 3 bee, butterfly, and hoverfly species is in decline, and 1 in 10 bee and butterfly species is threatened with extinction. And yet, the full extent of declines, their complex causes, and the most effective ways to respond to them are not well understood. Recognizing these worrying trends and following the EU Pollinators Initiative's cause, world-leading researchers, NGOs, and industry and policy experts from 25 institutions spread across 14 European countries and China joined forces to form the Safeguard Project. Safeguard is dedicated to helping reverse the loss of wild pollinators across Europe. This will be achieved by increasing the understanding of both the drivers of pollinating declines, such as land use, climate change, pesticides, diseases, and pollution, and the environmental, economic, and societal impacts that pollinators' losses cause. Safeguard will significantly expand current assessments of the status and trends of European wild pollinators like bees, butterflies, moths, and other pollinating insects. The project will use state-of-the-art models to predict future impacts of pressures on pollinators, concentrating on emerging threats, drivers, and effects. Safeguard will establish empirical research to assess multiple pressures on pollinators and identify the most effective solutions. Working with our stakeholders, we're providing an improved understanding of the diverse values of European pollinators. Together, we develop and test new approaches using multiple interventions to benefit pollinators, from field to landscape scales across agricultural, natural, and urban systems. To address pollinator declines and direct mitigation strategies at the local, national, and EU levels, we develop an integrated assessment framework that incorporates multiple types of evidence. Using the significant advance in knowledge, Safeguard will inform national, European, and global policies and decision-making of the importance of wild pollinators and their societal values. Finally, Safeguard will increase awareness with the public, policymakers, scientists, industry, and NGOs to mobilize actions to reverse pollinator declines across Europe. Acknowledging the significance of wild pollinators and taking steps to protect them is essential for maintaining biodiversity, promoting food security, and preserving the delicate balance of ecosystems. Visit the Safeguard website to learn more about Europe's wild pollinators and our mission. Act now and make a difference.